How to ask for directions in English. Find your way anywhere. Emily is visiting Paris for the first time. She heard about a famous café called Le Petit Paris and wants to know how to get there. She asks a local for help.
Excuse me, could you help me?
Sure. What are you looking for?
I'm trying to find a cafe called Le Petit Paris. I heard it's amazing.
Oh yes, it's a great place. Are you planning to walk there, or do you want to take public transport?
It's a bit far, so I think I'll take the metro.
Good choice. You need to take Metro Line 3.
Where do I catch it?
The nearest station is just around the corner. Look for the sign that says Metro.
Okay, and which stop do I get off at?
Get off at Saint Michel Station. From there, walk for about 5 minutes and the cafe will be on your left.
Thank you. How will I recognize the cafe?
It has a bright red awning and tables outside. You can't miss it.
That sounds lovely. Thank you so much for your help.
You're welcome. Enjoy your visit.
Key phrases to learn. I'm trying to find. A polite way to ask for a specific location. Where do I catch it? Asking about the starting point for transport. Which stop do I get off at? Asking for the destination station or stop. How will I recognize it? Asking for details to identify the location. Imagine you're visiting a popular cafe in your city. Write a short dialogue asking for directions. Share your favorite cafe or restaurant and describe how to get there in English. Feel free writing it in the comments. Well done. Subscribe for more videos. Every video you see improves your English. See you in the next video. Bye.